Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to insert an eSIM and physical SIM in your iPhone 12 mini. So let's start off with the eSIM. This will take 30 seconds. Just open up the camera app and then you just want to place your QR code for your eSIM in the frame of the camera, okay? If you're wondering how you get this QR code, you get it just going in store, asking for the eSIM, or you'll get an email with this QR code right here. You just place the QR code in the frame and you see here, data plan. You just tap on the data plan button. It may say, SIM card plan, and once you have done that, follow the on-screen instructions and eSIM will be activated. Now, if you want to insert a physical SIM card, what we're going to do is we're going to remove any case we may have on our iPhone 12 mini. And now you're going to notice here I have the box for the 12 mini. That's because inside of the box, you should see here the SIM card ejector. If you don't have the SIM card ejector in the box, or maybe you don't have the box at all, then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get a pin, maybe buy a SIM ejector, use a paper clip, you bend it so you have that sharp side, and then from here, get your iPhone 12 mini, you're going to see left hand side with the volume rockers, there's a mute switch, and then you have that SIM card tray. So you're going to get the ends, the short ends, okay, and you're going to insert it into the hole. And you're going to press down and then release the pressure when you feel click. So press down, press down, press down. Keep on adding force. I'm going to try that one more time. Push down and you feel that click and you see the SIM card is SIM card tray is partially ejected. That means you're good to go. So from here, use your fingernails to just push out the SIM card tray. And there we go. We have the SIM card tray right here. So the next step is you just want to align the SIM card tray. So make sure this notch here, okay, that little cutout of my index is facing top left, and then you get your SIM card. Okay, so let me just get my SIM card. You just make sure that the notch is facing the same direction as the SIM card tray. And if it's not, okay, let's say like this, just make sure it's facing the right way. So you just place the SIM card into the SIM card tray like so. Make sure it's flush. If you rub your finger across, it should feel nice and flush. And then from here, make sure that the orientation is the same, so the hole is facing the bottom. And you just get your iPhone 12 mini. You just insert back into the device itself. So you may need to push it down, and then you'll be good to go. So from here, you can put your case back on your iPhone 12 mini, and if I slide down, you can see, if I just turn off the Wi-Fi, you'll be able to see that the SIM card has been successfully inserted, and you can see the data right here. If you go to settings, you now have mobile data, you can turn this one on, you have network selection, Wi-Fi calling, and all of these other options right here. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.